Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to cut out a heart shape in Photoshop. Create a new layer. I have already insert this shape, rectangle shape, or you can use any object. Click the shape, right click on your mouse, custom shapes, all. Find heart shape. Now we can see this heart shapes. Click, press enter. Color, press enter. Then hold shift, click and drag it. Use for middle, hold control, align middle, then again hold control, click the rectangle, then click layer mask, press Ctrl I. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.